Are you struggling with messy data? Today, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to clean up any table using just 3 Power Query tools: Split, Remove, and Keep. Welcome back to Simple Power BI. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn exactly when and how to remove columns, when and how to split them, and how to keep or remove rows to instantly clean messy data. I've loaded a simple example dataset with a few common issues: extra columns, combined fields, and rows I don't want. Let's open it in Power Query. When you load, remember to always click Transform Data so you can clean your columns before loading them into your report. Let's start with the simplest cleanup action, and that's remove columns. If a column doesn't help your analysis, don't keep it. It bloats your model and it can slow everything down. To remove the column, I can right-click on it and hit Remove, or I can go to the Home tab and I can use the Remove Column button. Sometimes a column isn't wrong, it's just holding multiple pieces of information. That's where Split Column by Delimiter comes in. For example, my full name column uses a space between first and last names. If I want 2 separate columns, I'll select the column, go to Transform, select Split Column, and select by Delimiter, and I'll choose space as my delimiter since that is what is separating the first and last names in my full name column. So I'll split by space, and now I get 2 clean columns. Another common example is a comma-separated field like city, state. Splitting by comma instantly gives you 2 useful fields. There's even an advanced option to split rows instead of columns. Handy if you have multiple values in a single cell that you want, each in their own separate row. Now that we've cleaned up the columns, let's clean the rows. Power Query makes it super easy to keep only the rows you need, or remove the ones you don't. First, I'll remove the blank rows. I go to Home, Remove Rows, and Remove Blank Rows. If you're only testing your transformations, or if the first few rows actually matter, Keep Top Rows makes it easy to focus on a smaller sample. Go to Home, Keep Rows, Keep Top Rows, and then enter the number that you'd like to keep. Sometimes exports put titles or metadata above your table. Remove Top Rows cleans that up instantly. You can also keep certain rows by filtering. For example, if I only want to analyze finance department employees, I can filter for just that value. I go to Column Filter and keep only the rows where the department equals finance. Let's click Close and Apply to save all of our changes, and that's it. We cleaned columns, cleaned up rows, and now we have a data set that's ready for modeling. With just 3 tools, Split, Remove, and Keep, we can fix a ton of messy data problems in seconds. Power Query makes cleanup fast, repeatable, and reliable. If you want more fast Power BI tutorials like this, hit that like button and subscribe to Simple Power BI.